What's up, guys? Today, we received some goods in the mail. DragonFire has sent us their sport steering wheel in suede and their quick release steering wheel. So, I guess we're going to install that. We'll see what it's all about. Looks pretty easy, straightforward. All right, let's tear this thing apart.
What's the first step?
Give me a hammer. I've never done one of these before. Set it over there. Oh yeah, we're on to something. Oh yeah, she rusty and trusty. Let's see. Oh, money. Don't think it's gonna come off that easy. I lied. It literally came off that easy. That's it. That's a 24 mil, which is the same socket you use to put the new one on. Let me show you a trick I learned in Nam. You kind of just get up in there.
Oh, nice trick.
They've changed everything since Nam. I should just. Alright guys, so other videos so that you can just pull the steering wheel off. You're not pulling the steering wheel off. This thing's got 50 miles on it, so there's definitely no rust or anything. So what we actually did is we kind of came back here and tapped on it, held on the other side, and tapped on it right there. And then you can just pull it off, but you're definitely not just pulling it off. There's a little bit of rust there, but yeah, cool. Let's move on. Let's see what's up. Alright, according to this, it's just going to sit on there however. They're really not clear though. I don't know if you need to remove this washer or not. I'm going to go with a no. Because it looks like if you removed that washer. Try and turn it around. Yeah, that's just how far it's supposed to go. So it's slightly tapered. That's just how it goes. Cool. That's simple. Put the Loctite on it and keep it on. It's pretty cool that they include different color hardware. If you have like a silver steering wheel or whatever. Actually, you know what? Let's do something with the steering wheel before we. I know this is what I wanted to see. Come over here, Aaron. Literally just barely smaller than the Polaris one. This is just the stock Polaris 1000 turbo whatever dynamics one. The S has a different steering wheel. It's like a D-shaped one, but this is you know, like you're like maybe like a quarter inch all the way around, an eighth inch, if not the exact same size. But what I was curious about is even with the hub, it's hard for it to be accurate because the hub's a little bit deeper than it actually will be. But let's see. Yeah. So if anything, maybe like, this is coming in like, you know, maybe an inch, but it's really more like a half an inch taller. So I don't know. It's a simple install. 20 minutes probably. The DragonFire includes all the tools except for the socket or wrench for the main steering wheel nut. But they include all the Allens for all this, and that's really all you need. This thing feels good. It obviously releases pretty quickly. It has some little pins in there if you're wondering how it actually works. But yeah, put it up there. It's got a little bit of play in it. I don't think it's going to bother me too much. But I think that's going to be had with any quick release. Yeah, pretty sweet. Now your friends can't steal your razor in there. We had that problem with Josh. He would just take the razor, so that's why we got this. So I'm actually going to get a lanyard for this, and then I'm going to wear the steering wheel. So I'll dig it. It already feels pretty good. Our boss is watching. We're just going to park it, bud. Yeah, we're just parking it, boss. We're just parking it. Yep. It feels really good. I don't know if it's straight all the way. It's a little bit, I don't know, it's hard to tell because like every bump it feels like, no, it's straight. Yeah, we killed it first try. cookies, or what do you have for shakes? Is there an Oreo one?
Oreo, M&M, chocolate Oreo, M&M Oreo.
Just cookies.
Can I get a chocolate Oreo shake and then 3 chocolate chip cookies?
That was a chocolate Oreo shake?
Yeah. No, thank you.
Okay.
Can I get 4 then? Awesome. That'll be it. Thank you.